Hi everyone, welcome to the start of a brand new devlog series. Over the next months, or maybe even years, I'll be documenting my journey of building my own DirectX 12 game engine from scratch. Before we jump into all of the rendering and programming stuff, I wanted to share with you a little bit about how I got here. I've always loved video games, not just playing them, but changing them up. Back in high school, I spent a lot of time modding games, making custom maps, and just experimenting with stuff. At one point, I thought web development was going to be my career, but I just didn't enjoy it. Then one day I thought, why not give game development a try? So I opened up Unity and watched my very first tutorial and started making a very small project. Somehow that little project kept growing, and in 2024 I actually released my first game on Steam. That experience made me realize that making games was what I actually wanted to do. After that, I spent the next year preparing my portfolio and applying for universities. In the fall of 2025, I got accepted into the master's program in Barcelona. One of the things we do there is build a game engine from scratch. And that's kind of where everything clicked. Even though gameplay programming is still my favorite part of game development, I wanted a project where I could learn every system myself. So this is why I started building my own game engine. This series isn't meant to be a tutorial or a complete programming course. It's simply going to document the journey. Every time I reach a meaningful milestone, I'll make another episode. So if this sounds interesting to you, I'd love to have you along for the ride. And with that, let's start building. I'll see you in the first devlog.